My name is Kim Fowler. I am with Coolstream Communications. A technical presentation is a challenging endeavor. There are a number of proper techniques, but many things can go wrong and destroy your delivery. Here's a parody of a really bad presentation. See if you can spot all the problems. Please note, the technical content is fine, so you can ignore that. It's not part of the problem. Proposes a new graphic format for this paper describes a new graphic format for assigning tasks in projects. One problem with current form of task assignment is that a written summary, which engineers can easily overlook, like, propose this new graphic format, that enhances comprehension by, compacting information. Flowchart describes the procedural workflow with spatial placement of specifications, procedures, materials, and data. So, I did this work where we tried to implement this new graphic format for a small aerospace company. Actually, we were at a picnic and this engineer started telling this really funny joke about Alice in Wonderland. Oh, I gotta move on. I told you not now. Areas of mission and oversight in projects that require engineering design and development. Mission improves quality of the work product and shortens the schedule and avoids rework. Here makes training easy and quick. Here is a traditional work assignment. This graphic also makes training quick and easy. Here is the traditional task assignment. The whole figure here summarizes the new form of task assignment. I see my time is out. Well, that presentation was dreadful. First, the terrible clothing. Then jamming his hands in the pockets and forgetting the memorized script. Shuffling through the papers. Standing frozen in place and mumbling, with the paper slowly covering his face. Sighing and inappropriately scratching. Using filler words like ums and you know. Walking all over the stage and at one point completely out of the field of view. For the anecdote, striking something of a nervous casual stance, which the audience recognizes as both nervous and casual. And in the course of that anecdote, telling a joke that's a rabbit trail from the original talk and completely unconnected to its purpose. At the end of that, answering a cell phone. Don't do that. Turn these off. Don't let this be a distraction. And don't answer them. Talking too fast. Turning his back to the audience and flailing his arms about, which both ignores the audience and distracts them. The presentation materials were far too detailed to be quickly grasped by the audience. Then flapping his hands about, as opposed to simply pointing and withdrawing his hand. The same is true for a laser spot, which should point at a particular location and then be turned off, rather than be allowed to dance around the field of view. Finally, the presenter mentioned the time and how he had to finish up. The audience is painfully aware of the time, and they're as eager to get out of that room as the presenter. I hope these are some points for you to ponder as you prepare your next technical presentation, and I wish you well in giving outstanding technical presentations.